Musamseleku was asking Makwela to have another child. He doesn't care that child is still young because Makwela's child doesn't have even 1 year or 2 years. Why he can't ask to Mayeni and Mangwabe? He is asking Makwela. Sometimes it's not fair. Musamseleku, when he buy houses for Mangwabe and Mayeni. Why he can't count Makwela when he want to buy houses in Durban? Because Makwela is his wife and now he is demanding another child. I think to Makwela, she's supposed to stop, but we know that Makwela is already pregnant with another child, with Musamseleku's second child. So I don't understand Musamseleku. Maybe he said to Makwela, I can give you more money or what, but it doesn't make any sense. Musamseleku, when he wants to have a big family with Makwela, he's supposed to buy a house like Mangwabe and Mayeni's house to show that it's his wife. Even Makwela's family, what they say about that issue, that he brought a house for Mangwabe and Mayeni and he didn't bring, because people who were expecting that when Musamseleku buy houses for those wives, Makwela, she will come to stay in Muzumbe. Makwela is staying at her parents' house and Musamseleku is demanding another child. Even Makwela's family, what they say, you know that Mayeni have Mpumelelo. At that time with Musamseleku, she doesn't have another child because she knows that she is not staying with Musamseleku. You can't have another child, the second child, at your family, at your parents' house. What they say, Makwela is still staying at her parents' house. Musamseleku told them that he is still fixing things with his wives. Why he can't wait to have another child? Because he knows that it is not good at that time, at that moment with his wives. What I saw to Musamseleku, he wants Makwela to be desperate, always begging him, because they have got 2 or 4 kids. They have got 2 or 4 kids. They are not staying together as a husband and wife. I think Makwela, what she is tolerating now is not right, because the woman, some of the things is about, maybe you want money, you want to be settled with that old man. So that old man, you can tolerate everything. He is saying, I think to Makwela is not okay. Why he can't ask to Mangwabe and Mayeni? Because Mangwabe and Mayeni, their kids are now, maybe Obanzi is in maybe 10 years, we don't know. Those kids are older than Makwela's child. You want that Makwela to have another child. That child, she is still young. Metuli is still young. She still needs her mother's love. Maybe we have to wait 2 or 3 years, 4 years and above. He can't wait because he knows that he is getting old. Musamseleku now is in 51, 52. Imagine 52 years. You understand? That's why Musamseleku is demanding another child to Makwela, because he knows that when he can't have those kids to Makwela, that he can say maybe they have to separate with 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. He can't have another kids anymore because Musamseleku, he is getting old. But what I saw to Makwela, she have to have kids what, or on her way, when she want to have 2 kids or 3 kids, not from Musamseleku's demanding. You understand? Because Musamseleku is getting old. Even anytime Musamseleku can pass away, and Makwela is raising those kids alone. You understand? That's why Mangwabe and Mayeni, they can't have another kids with Musamseleku. They know that Musamseleku is getting old. Because when Musamseleku passed away, even Machele, they can't take care of their kids. So Makwela have to think about herself. And anytime Musamseleku can pass away and Makwela is not staying at Musamseleku's house, what is going to be happen now at Musamseleku's compound? Makwela have got 3 or 4 kids at her parents' house. Her parents are tolerate all those things. I think Makwela's parents, they have to stop tolerating Musamseleku's drama. Musamseleku forces Makwela to have a child at the first time. And now he want to force her to have a second child. Yes, first child, maybe Musamseleku, he want his wives to to welcome Makwela because there is no choice. Those people, they've got kids. But Makwela, I think she